Hey guys, this is Steven Smith with MarineMax here in Houston, coming to you today with a 2017 Scout 175 Sport Dorado. This is a dual console design, great fishing boat, but also a lot of space for family and people to hang out. At the front of the boat, they've given us a nice anchor locker here, plenty of room for rope and chain storage there. Big cushion on this, what could be a casting platform because it's removable, as well as a big fish box underneath that's insulated that drains overboard. If we look here, they utilize the space under these lounges really well, with storage underneath both of these loungers that are forward facing. So really you have room for 2 or 3 people just in the front of the boat alone. As we come back here and look at the helm, we've got 2 individual captain's chairs with a split helm design. And then at the helm itself, you've got your Yamaha controls for your 90 horsepower Yamaha, a small section up here where you could put an electronics display on a swivel mount. It comes standard with a Fusion stereo that's got 4 speakers and Bluetooth, USB, auxiliary, etc., which you typically don't find in something in this class. And there's a nice little glove box over here as well as additional storage for phone, key, wallet, etc. They did also use the back of the boat very well with forward-facing seats that underneath of them have access to a bait well here, as well as on the other side should be access to your battery compartment and your switch. We've also optioned this boat with the ski tow bar that goes over the motor, so you could do family water sports activities such as tubes or pulling a ski or something like that. And of course you can see the 90 horsepower Yamaha, great power for this boat. We're really excited about this 2017 Scout 175 Dorado. Come see us at MarineMax Houston today.